Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing us an airdrop that can earn us up to $1,000 with just $0. So it's a Humanity Protocol airdrop. As if once you join with the link in my description, it's going to bring you to a waiting page where you just have to wait for a while. And when it gets to your turn, you hear a sound. And then you come over to here where you have to connect your wallet. So I'm using the OKX wallet because there is a bonus attached to it. So once you click the OKX wallet as a connection method, this pops up. You sign the message and then it takes you to another page where you have to confirm this sign. So I'm doing that currently. Okay, my fingerprint. Then after that, it brings you to a page where you have to fill in your details. So yes, you can fill in your details. So before we continue, please do well to watch this video to the end, like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get more videos. So here I'll be signing up with my name. Let's create your human ID, choose a name for human ID. So Crypto Insider. Insider 30. So this is my referral. This person that referred me. So my referral ID and the link to this airdrop will be in my description. So do well to click and join the airdrop. Next. So I'll be filling in my details here. So I have to go to my email to verify, to check your email, a code has been sent. So I'll be going to my email to copy this code and verify my email and my login. I've verified using your decentralized identity. So this is my dashboard, Crypto Insider 30. I already connected my wallet. I made use of OKX wallet instead of MetaMask because on the social media page, I'll see shows on social media page, we talked about giving 10% of the airdrop to people that use OKX wallets. So my ranking, I'm currently number 2.9 something million. Okay. So we'll be going back to the social media page before coming back here to continue this testnet. So this is the Humanity Protocol X page. As you can see, they have 139,000 followers, even though up to 3 million persons are currently doing the airdrop. You can see here, yesterday, some hours ago, they announced that they got the latest funding round of $20 million. Initially, they had a funding round of $30 million. Now, this funding round of $20 million is a total of $50 million, raising their valuation to $1.1 billion. So this funding was led by Pantera Capital and Jump. So you can see that this Humanity Protocol Testnet is one of the airdrops that has been able to tell us what their valuation is. So if we continue down, we can also see various partnerships. Let's show us the OKX partnership. So here they partner with Open Campus. I don't know what that is. Yes, this is a new collaboration. They partner with OKX Wallet. Humanity Protocol is proud to announce its latest collaboration with OKX Wallet. Sign up to Humanity Protocol Testnet with OKX Wallet and you get a 10% bonus in allocation. So you can see why I'm currently using OKX Wallet to sign up for this airdrop. So you can start to use OKX Wallet or MySys browser or Kiwi browser. You can even use your MetaMask wallet to connect to this airdrop, but for me, I'll be using the OKX wallet. So this is their dashboard. This is my rewards balance, 0 RWT. This is my ranking. So social media, I'll have to connect my social media accounts to be able to get this percentage. So let's see, connect social media. So you have to connect. I'll be doing this much later. You have to connect your X, your Gmail account, connect Discord, connect Telegram, connect your LinkedIn, and connect your GitHub. So try to, if you don't have these accounts, try to create them and connect them so that you can get bonus reward, not dashboard. Okay. So this is the total amount of rewards you claim. This is the rewards claimed per day. Here you see the rewards claimed for yesterday. So tomorrow it will be for today. So here is claim Genesis reward. Genesis reward, the reward for joining. So let's click claim. I think it's updating your rewards balance on the blockchain. So I guess we'll have to wait. Let me claim again. I guess we'll have to wait a while. So this is referrals. It's a Genesis reward claim failed. Let me try again. Don't know why it keeps failing. Then here you see your referrals. You have direct referrals. So direct referrals give you 50% of their claimed reward. Then while in direct referrals, you get 50% bonus from direct referrals. So this is where you get a referral link. You can copy a referral link and share to your friends, since referrals is a big thing here. Okay, so this is an upgrade to the video. I was later able to claim my Genesis reward. So all you just have to do is to, if you click it and then it's not going through, just keep refreshing, and after a while it will go through. So I was able to claim my Genesis reward. As you can see here, I have 180 RWT token, and then I've now been able to connect my social media accounts. So I've connected two for now, my X and my Telegram. Each one you connect gives you 10% and helps boost your earning power. So you just have to, once you claim Genesis reward, you come back every day to claim the next reward. So my next reward is coming in the next 1 hour 46 minutes. Also, once you claim, you have to sign in your OKX sign in, and then it will upload. So if it doesn't show up, just leave it for a while and then it will show up. Then for this, I think they will assign a code for everyone to get enrolled, so enroll their palms. This is also another form of verification. I think that's all for the Humanity Protocol. I'll also be doing another video for those that are using their laptops to connect, because there are some improvements there where you have to bridge and also claim a faucet daily. So for now, this is for those that are using mobile. Thank you for watching. So please do, the link to join this airdrop will be in the description, and then do well to like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can get more videos.